What's up, young family? It's your girl Victoria, and I have a special guest.
Hey.
This is Olga, and this is my baby mom. I call her my baby mom because her two kids are related to my 3-year-old. Well, she's 4 now. So, as y'all can see from the channel, the title, we are doing the Mochi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. The Mochi challenge, I guess ASMR or whatever. No, it's not going to be ASMR because I don't got the mic on. So, we are going to try these Mochis. We have chocolate chip. We have green tea. We have salted caramel. We have vanilla bean, which is like melted a little bit. We have chocolate. We have strawberry. We have sweet mango. And we have mint chocolate chips. It looks funny.
You go first.
Put me under the bus, right?
Yup, go first.
Alright, so no, we have to do it at the same time. So which one we gonna do first?
Alright, let's
Wait,
try.
guys, hold on.
What?
Before I start this video, I need y'all to start subscribing.
Yes.
Okay? Subscribe.
Comment, like, love,
Yes,
everything.
share. Because we need to start giving these giveaways out. If y'all want stuff, we gotta get the subscriptions. So remember, subscribe, press the notification bell, comment down below when you do that, so like that y'all in our radar. When we reach our 10,000 subscription, remember we doing a sweepsake, a giveaway. We're taking somebody shopping, so y'all need to start subscribing. Yes. Let's get into this video though. So, which one you want to do first?
Cookies and cream.
The cookies and cream. I think we should do something.
All right. So which one you want to pick?
Something that we might not like.
I don't like that mint.
So
or that green tea.
You want to try the mint or the green tea?
Alright, we'll go with the mint first.
Okay, we're gonna try the mint, guys. You gotta move more in. Okay. Alright, wait. 1, 2, 3.
Not mine.
That's not my thing.
Nah, it's over for that one. That one's put to the side. I'm not even gonna finish it.
I might be able to take another bite.
It's like 2 minutes. Like,
you know what's funny? I'm not a person that likes mint chocolate.
I don't like it at all.
But that's not that bad. So me,
it's like refreshing. It's like a mint, but like refreshing with a little bit of chocolate.
not even. It's like, I feel like that gooey, that doughy taste.
That dough, yeah.
Kind of makes it taste better in a way.
Cause I got a little bit of powder too, so it does taste good.
I do not like mint chocolate, but that right there, that was alright. I can.
You go. You pick one.
Okay. Let's go with let's just do the cookie and cream.
Right.
Oh no, let's do vanilla beans.
Okay, let's do vanilla beans.
Vanilla beans. Okay.
Let's see.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's messy.
But it tastes good.
Let's go. Wow. I like this.
Like real ice cream.
So,
what?
I forgot. Rating. We gotta do ratings. The rating, what you give that? 1 out of 10.
1 or 4. I mean, but it all depends on who likes it.
Right. No, but for you.
For me, 4.
Okay. I give that a 6. I give it a 6. Now this one,
a 10.
I give it a 7. Not that. I give this one a 7. She likes this one. Get it. Okay. Yeah. Well, I learned. Ew, now it's just dough. Here. Oh, yeah. Nah, but that I gave it a 7. Wasn't that bad. So we're gonna go on to the next. But look how this looks. Like, it looks funny.
Chinese for you.
I feel like I gotta be eating this with chopsticks. Like
Chopsticks, yeah.
I gotta be grabbing it. Alright, so let's do the green tea now. Oh my gosh. That is gonna be horrible.
You ever try green tea? The tea itself?
I drink green tea, but hot because I do, like, I drink apple cider vinegar with the green tea.
So
but I only because it kills the apple cider taste.
Alright, let's try it.
Let's try this.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Nah, it's over.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's real green tea.
That's nasty.
That is real green tea. That's nasty.
I get that a 0.
So the mint and that green tea, no.
I give that a 0.
The green tea, right? A 0. That shit nasty.
No,
Alright, let's try.
that was horrible.
Alright, let's do something sweet, because this is so you could get that shit away. Let's do a strawberry. Or a mango. Or a mango.
Let's do a mango.
Or you want to do the
I don't like
salted
mango.
caramel. Because I know you was feeling...
Let's do a salted caramel.
Alright, let's try.
Alright, we're gonna do the salted caramel. So wait, what you rate that? The
0. That shit
zero, right?
is nasty.
Yeah, I agree. 0. Alright, so we're gonna do the caramel.
Oh.
Oh, this,
Oh, nah.
this is good. Oh,
This is like a real... Like the
That's
coffees, like
good.
the... Yeah, like...
this is good. This is really, really good. Oh my god.
Okay.
That's
So
good.
this one is good. What you rate it?
Okay. That's a 10. This is 10.
It's good.
This is really good.
I'm making a fucking mess.
That was good.
Look.
That was good. That was a 10.
A 10.
Wow. That was slammer. Alright, so let's go do the mango because I don't like mango. So
But you
wanna
know
see
what?
how-
It might taste alright.
It might taste good because I don't like the mint chocolate. And the mint chocolate was good to me with
Alright.
this.
So we'll do
So let's do
mango.
the mango. I want to do the pretty one.
Do the...
I want the pretty. Oh, but the pretty one is melting.
Oh, look at... Yeah.
Oh, look, I got the pretty one. Hey, look at the pretty. It's dripping though. Look.
Yeah, they...
And boop, boop. All right, let's go.
It tastes like real mango.
No, not for me.
But not for you.
That's not for me. It's
That
not.
caramel
Well-
was popping.
I try to taste it. To give you a rating.
You know what fucks it up? The outside.
I don't like mango. I give it
The
a
mango.
4. I give it a 4. For me,
Alright, let's try the
what you
strawberry.
give it?
The strawberry.
The mango. What you give it?
A 6.
A 6.
Yeah,
I give it a 4.
it's alright.
I hate mango. I
don't
can't eat
like
the
it.
fruit, but I can't eat like ice cream, candy, stuff like that, like the fake artificial things.
Yeah.
I can't eat it. Let's try the strawberry, sir.
Yeah, strawberry.
Alright,
Let's take the
I'm
little
gonna try the strawberry. Oh, but this one smells.
Is it melted?
Okay, this one's good.
What you think?
I love strawberries, but this is
it's
not,
like a taste that you have, like.
it's not a taste that I'm used to. It's not hitting. This ain't hitting, bro. I'm sorry if I talk like that. I'm from the Bronx, so that's how we talk. Right? Get used to it.
Nah, I could fuck with it.
You can work with it?
Yeah.
It's not something I'll eat all the
But
time.
this is so messy.
Mhm.
This type of food is mad messy though.
Oh my God. Wait, your chair.
I can't fuck with shit like this.
Yeah, this
It's cold too.
not bad. But not something I'll eat all the time.
What you gonna try?
Let's try the cookie and cream because I know. Let's say the
Yeah,
chocolate
this
for
shit-
last. I know you've been wanting to do the cookie and cream. Look at this mess.
Sorry.
Look at this. Ew.
It's ice cream. That's what it is. It's like.
It's ice cream. It's
But
ice
it's
cream
inside.
of a dough.
That's what it is.
It's ice cream inside of a dough.
That's why it's so weird.
This is the only put together one. Like, this is not dripping.
Yeah. Sorry for the messes, people. But when you guys try it, you're gonna see.
All right, let's do this.
What? What you think?
The dough is more put together. I don't know if it's different in some type of way, but I feel like the dough is kind of cooked, but it's not.
Yeah. But does it taste like cookies and cream to you? Do you think? Did it come to your expectations?
Let me see.
Yeah. Okay, I don't like the dough, but I like the ice cream. It's really good.
Doesn't taste like cookies and cream.
What it tastes like?
It tastes like nothing. It just tastes like ice cream. Like,
It don't got no flavor. That's what you're trying to say.
not the flavor of the cookie and cream.
No, it's like a different. Like they put like a.
Like ice cream, right?
But it's like a more flavor. It's not like a sweet cookies and cream.
I feel like they mixed this. It's not cookie and cream. I feel like they just mixed this with chocolate and vanilla. That's what it tastes like, right?
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like. It tastes like they just mixed it with chocolate.
What you rate it?
Let me see. Let me take this next bite.
We'll see.
I give it a 6.
6 is good for me too.
I give it a 6.
It's not all that. I think the one that stuck out the most was the caramel.
That caramel was hitting. Bro, we have one more. We might just fight over this shit.
That's like sex
We're
on the
gonna have
beach or
to.
something.
We're gonna have to cut this shit
Bro,
in half.
It's really
Because
good.
there's no way one
But
person's gonna get that.
I think the most was the
I
caramel.
like. But wait, let's finish. Let's do the chocolate.
Let's do the chocolate.
So we
yeah.
rate that a 6. Now let's do the chocolate. Look at guys.
Let us know. Oh my god.
Hey. Damn.
That's a real dark chocolate.
That's good.
It's good, but
You don't like it?
Nope.
For me, I give that an 8. I like the chocolate.
It got dark pieces though.
I like it.
Well, are you a chocolate lover?
I'm a chocolate lover.
Oh, that's why. Yeah.
Anything chocolate for me is good.
Yeah. So
I rate that. I give it an 8.
I give it a 5. You know what it is? That's like real dark chocolate. That's like I
give it an 8. No, but
8?
that's not better than this one. This one's a
That
10.
one is a 10.
This one's a 10.
So
And then this one, it's not that bad. This one's not that bad.
It depends if you love mint. Because
I
if
don't.
you don't love mint, you're not gonna like nothing mint.
I don't like mint. But that was actually okay
for you.
It was okay for me. Like I could. It had like a balance for me. Like
it had little pieces of chocolate, so
I feel like the only thing that made it stand out for me is this.
Is the dough. The dough. That's
the dough. Like I can't eat mint chocolate. Excuse me. I can't eat mint chocolate ice cream on its own. But with the way they made this and presented it, it was really it was good to me.
The presentation was good. No, the green,
that
don't OD,
bro. Don't ever do not ever taste the green tea. You will regret it.
Yeah, that shit tasted
nice. It had a bad taste. Like,
let me try.
Not even the fact that it tasted bad. It just the minute it touched my tongue, it was like no.
You know what it tastes like? It's like a green tea, but it's like a spicy. It got like a little spice. Try it one more time. No, like with your finger.
No.
It's
no.
She's like no.
Go over the door. There's nothing in this world that will make me try that again. Bae just got home. Let's go to
what's up? It's Eli. Eli Finesse. Stay tuned. About to try out this right here.
So let's see his rating. Alright, so
orange?
we gonna give him this one first.
Yeah, let's give him that one. Yep. Yes. Alright, go ahead.
I don't know. Can I get that right here?
You
gotta bite it.
Oh,
like we bit it.
That's disgusting. That's my spit.
Eli just ran out. He's like,
Yo, that's nasty.
That green tea.
No,
is nasty.
nigga, he dipped the green tea in my spit.
It don't matter. Yeah.
That's disgusting.
Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, shit spit.
It's different when we kissing.
Why?
But that spit actually came out my mouth. Like,
damn. We should have given him something better than that. Like
we should have never gave him this container. That was disgusting.
Alright, so
I feel bad.
We're gonna cut this one in half because that's ours.
My bad, guys. That was nasty.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do a lot of cutting out, but come, we still got more. It's
We
not
still
all
got
of them are bad.
Yo,
He's crying.
You did. Come to the camera. You gotta show them your face, bro.
That's your reaction.
You already see my face.
You gotta see your
And you
reaction.
gotta rate it too. No, that green tea is nasty.
Come, sit down.
I don't think I've eaten these. It didn't make my stomach hurt. Just telling me that.
Come closer to the camera.
I'm crying.
I know.
So how do you feel about that?
This shit tastes nasty.
What about the fact that you dipped it in my spit?
I don't want to talk about that, bro. Cause it got me nauseous. You ain't have to tell me. You have to tell me until after.
What you rate it? What you rate
that?
1 through 10.
I rate that shit 0.
We did.
We
We
too.
all did.
So yeah.
Alright, so try this one.
Alright,
Yeah,
try
mint chocolate.
Mint chocolate. There you go.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, that green tea is disgusting.
Yeah. So what's this right here like?
That's
It's
dope.
like a dough, and it has powder in it.
So can I break it half?
No,
bite
because it has
gotta
ice
show
cream.
them.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Show them.
That one through there. Yeah, there you go.
Babe.
He don't want to bite it.
Tastes like mint, but the chocolate. No, I don't like chocolate. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, so put it back.
I'm so
So
sorry,
what
guys.
do you rate that one?
Like a 4. 'Cause I like the mint, but
You
the
gave it a
chocolate.
4 too.
I did too. I don't like mint. It's like real minty. That's why.
No,
No,
I like
put
it.
it
I'm sorry.
there. Yeah. 'Cause she
Sorry,
likes it.
guys. I'm about to.
Wait, you gotta try the other one.
Yes, you gotta try all of them.
Come on.
This right here.
This one,
This is vanilla bean.
that's
Yeah.
my favorite. That
Okay.
one was really
But
good.
it's like, look at this.
It's melted because of the ice cream.
Yeah. Open, go like that. No, go like that.
Not because you can't put all
I
that
promise.
in
I'm
there.
not
Yeah,
gonna
it's
put it
gonna
all in your
smell-
mouth. I promise. Go Look at that.
Just give it to me.
I promise.
Can you give it to me?
Babe, I'm not gonna put, I swear to God, do you trust me? Do you love me?
I do, but I don't trust you. You know how we got you.
1, 2, 3. Said, I'm not gonna OD.
Yeah. Go.
I'm not gonna OD on you.
It tastes like real.
Oh, that shit
He
was
thought I was
9.
gonna OD.
But
It's
it's
good?
good.
Yeah.
A 9, and I gave it a 10, so it was
Finish
good.
it.
Finish it. Yep. It's good.
He liked that.
Yep.
Yeah.
He liked
I
that
told my
one.
mom 10.
A 10? That
Yeah.
one's good? I didn't like that one. How much you gave that one?
A 10. I gave it a
You
10.
did?
Yeah. I like
I
it.
think
It
what
was,
I gave it, like a 6 or something?
yeah, you gave it like a 7. A 7. You liked it, but it was.
It wasn't like for me, like it was.
This one is a.
Oh, this one right here, I gave that shit a 10.
Yes.
Alright,
give it to
so
him.
you want to give it to him?
Yep.
We was gonna fight over this, but
But we'll give it to Eli now.
So what is it?
this is salted caramel. Remember, guys,
Salted caramel. But it tastes like iced coffee. Like it tastes so good. He's gonna like it.
Tastes like latte.
Latte, like a coffee.
I give it a 7.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh damn, but we liked it.
Right, we both gave it a
But
10.
I
Give
don't
me the
like-
brag.
I don't like coffee.
Oh, that's
That's what
why.
it is,
That's
but-
what it is. If you don't like coffee, yeah.
Oh shit.
I'm sorry, guys. I don't like messes.
All right. So now
It's
he's gotta try strawberry.
Okay, strawberry. This is his least favorite.
Oh,
Right,
so,
so
he's
it's-
not gonna like it then.
It's melting, so I'm gonna do the same thing I just did with the other one. Have you?
Yep.
Open.
Wait, hold on. I got something in my mouth. now. My hands all messed up.
They're gonna be like, that poor guy. They all,
He just came in the house, you know.
and they
They
ganging up
they're
on
ganging
him.
up.
Alright, come on. Open.
All right, let's go.
Wait, well, let me do it. 'Cause you know I don't like sugar. I got to take a little
Okay,
bite or something
okay,
like that.
okay.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's melting, guys.
It's melting. Oh.
Oh, you gotta
That's
show
strawberry
them the
too?
plate.
This strawberry
That's
too?
strawberry. This is mango, and this is what, chocolate? You said.
Mm-hmm.
So you
But
still
this
gotta
one,
try.
you gotta eat this one because she ate out of that
Yeah. So eat that one, and then you gotta try
And
that
then
one,
this
and then this one. So you still gotta go through.
one. How was that?
Let's go.
What are you rating?
Give it an 8.
You know it's like a sorbet.
8, right?
You know
Didn't
what's a
I give
sorbet?
that an 8 too?
A sorbet, like an ice cream sorbet. You know what sorbet is? No.
No.
No, nobody knows. Okay.
You gotta
There.
come more in the camera. Okay, you gotta come close in person.
All right, let's go.
Alright, mango next.
Mango.
I didn't like that. That wasn't for me. So he rated that one an 8. Damn, you just throwing it in your mouth. For a guy that don't like this. You should have thrown this one in your mouth. Why you
Hell
throw that
no.
one in your mouth?
Mm-mm.
That would have been funny if he would have threw that one in his mouth.
Nah, I give this an 8 too. It's mango.
Mango.
It's good.
I don't like that. I gave that one a 4, right?
Yeah.
You ever tried it too?
Yeah,
So what was
we
it?
tried all of them
We
together.
tried all of them
Yeah.
together.
So what's left is the chocolate for him.
Hmm?
Chocolate.
Mhm.
Go.
Alright.
You go ahead.
Damn. I got a bottle first. Hold on. Got a little bottle.
This is
Now when you came here and do it with y'all for like 3 minutes. Yeah.
No, I bet from is this one? Cause I bet from there.
oh, I gotta use the bathroom, guys.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Like, yeah,
Oh man.
yeah, number 2, bro.
You gonna blow it up?
I'm about to blow
Yes,
it
about
up.
to blow that shit up.
Oh, you didn't even make my soup. What you like it?
What
The
you rate
chocolate?
that one?
A 9.5.
Bring it more down.
A 9.5.
A 9.5.
You accept
Stay
that?
tuned. 8 out finesse. Just
Why? That
Eight out
he's making
finesse.
me feel like I gotta do this.
Cause we're short people and you're tall.
Guys, I got delivery. Should I open this in a video or? Okay, let's open it here. What is this? Guys, guess what? This is Ariella's Christmas gift.
What is it?
I'm gonna show you right now. Shit. Wait, I can't break it though.
Why?
Because it has to go back in here.
Okay, don't matter, but you could just.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
what. Okay.
She's gonna like it.
Oh my God, look And she got headphones. She's about to get robbed.
What the fuck did
Nah,
you
she
buy
can't get
her?
robbed. I bought her an iPod.
An iPod. I thought it was a phone.
I mean, it's like a phone, but
It's
she's
like
a
a
baby.
phone, but she got music, so she can listen to music.
Oh. She got an iPod for Christmas,
Yay.
guys.
It's mad little too.
It is little.
She's gonna like it.
Yeah.
She'll be walking around thinking like it's a phone. Like, hey,
I'm thinking she grown.
it's mad light. Touch it.
Yeah,
I like it.
We gotta get
It
her
is
a
nice.
case.
A case, yeah.
Babe, we gotta get her a case. But, and then she got
What she got?
a
Headphones?
charger,
Oh.
her headphones, and she got, oh no, that's not headphones, I'm sorry, that's the box. And she got headphones. Wow, I can't wait to see her face.
You gotta put it on video.
Yeah, when she opens her gift, guys, I will most definitely record it so that y'all could be a part of it. Well, this is the end of the video. Soon she will be making her own YouTube channel. So no,
I'll be just
you don't
with
want
you.
it.
No, I'll come.
You just come for me. She's gonna get stung for me. Maybe she'll like it one day and think about it.
I'm shy.
It's good money.
You do it. And you give me the money.
Now you do it.
Babe, you heard her? And you give me the money.
You do it.
Baby mom. I keep telling you. That's the baby mom.
Hey.
Right there. I gotta take care of my baby mom, right?
Hey, Dios mío.
Hey, girl. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, girl. No, no besos. No besos. Shh. Say hi, guys. Say, young family. Oh, you don't want me? Oh,
She said she love you.
yeah, she did. She said it. But guys, remember,
Like, comment,
and
share,
subscribe. We gotta be throwing these giveaways out, so let's get into it. The vibes is in. Bye.